How to grow coleus from seeds indoors. Friends, if you want to buy coleus seeds at a very cheap price, in this video description, you will get a link. Click this link and buy your favorite seeds at a very cheap price. Refrigerating seeds for multi-week before sowing them will expand every one of the seeds' likelihood of achieving adulthood. Amid refrigeration, choose whether or not you wish to keep your coleus indoors or outside. In case you're growing your coleus outside, you require just to disperse the seeds on your garden soil after the initial 2 weeks of spring have passed. At the point when your coleus seedlings are roughly 2 inches tall, you should thin them by culling out the weakest seedlings. Take after the bearings recommended on the back of your coleus seed parcel. Amid this undertaking, diminishing your seedlings authorizes space for the more grounded seedlings to grow their root framework. On the off chance that you didn't think your harvest, you would be left with various immature coleus plants. After you have appropriately diminished your coleus plants, all you have left to do is keep up the coleus lives by giving legitimate care. Coleus, particularly indoor coleus, profits by week supplemental watering, particularly amid the late spring months when the sun dries soil substantially speedier than in the spring. Treat your plants once at regular intervals with a fluid manure. Weaken the compost in the fluid you use to water your plants in the extents depicted by the maker. Other than week watering and preparation, you require not stress over administering to your coleus too much. The plants ought to be looked after normally by their condition.